Good morning. How are you? Hope you are all fit and fine. Now, here, what is this in my hand? Yes, this is prism. What is it? Prism. So, in this prism, if you observe minutely, you can see that this is the one surface, this is the another surface, and this one is third surface. Again, first, second and third. So these three are the faces of the prism. And can you tell what is the shape of that one? Rectangular. So this prism has three rectangular faces and two triangular faces. This is triangular, this is triangular. So how many triangular faces? Two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. And you can say that how it is made. This is made up of glass. What is glass? It is the transparent medium. So if I ask the question, can refraction occurs through this prism? Yes. So here let us start prism. And here this prism has four rectangular face or surface and two triangular surface. Triangular surface. Triangular surface. And because it is made up of transparent medium, that is glass, so now we have to discuss how the refraction occurs. Refraction through prism. Refraction through prism. Refraction through prism. So here the two-dimensional diagram of that prism is like this. So this is A, B and C. Now here, suppose this is the incident ray, this one is the incident ray. So here I have to draw the angle 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. That's why this one is M N is one of the normal. So now this is the incident ray. This is angle between the incident ray, that's why it is said to be I. So this is the rarer medium and this one is the denser medium. As you know that when light starts from the light incident from the rarer medium, coming from the rarer medium and reaching to the denser medium, so it has to bend towards the normal. This is the bending. Now here again this is the separation of the two media. One is denser, other is rarer. So here in that case also this is the normal and let it be M dash N. And now this incident ray is P, or you can take A and this point is B. Here AB is already we have taken, so better we take B, P and this is Q. Now here separation of the two media, light start from the denser medium reaching to the rarer medium. So it has to bend away from the normal. And this angle is the angle between the normal and the refracted ray and because here this ray is coming out from the emergence, so this is called angle of refraction as well as the angle of emergence. So now here, if we observe, this is the incident ray and this is the refracted ray. So here the incident ray and the refracted ray, this much deviation occurs. So this angle is said to be angle of deviation, and how it is represented? Represented by delta. So here what can we say? Angle PQM is equals to angle of incidence. Angle here, this point is, let it be T. So angle T Q R is the angle of refraction. You can say R1. And here this angle between the incident ray and normal, and after that angle MRS. This is angle of emergence, that is E, and this angle is, this is R1, this is R1. Which one is R1? And QR. This is NQR is the R1, and this point is, let this point is N. So NQ and NR, this point is RQ, and RQ is R2. PQ incident ray, RS emergent ray, and this is angle BAC is known as angle of praised, and this is same as the angle A also. So ultimately this is the refraction through the prism. So now what is prism? Prism is a device which gives refraction as well as deviation. How can you differentiate the prism and glass slab? Glass slab is a device which gives refraction only, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, so there is no deviation at all. But in case of the prism, this also gives the refraction as well as the deviation. So here in prism is device which gives refraction and deviation. Now here, and it has the 4 rectangular surface and 2 triangular surface. How the refraction occurs through the prism? So this is the diagram of the refraction, and here is the description. What is angle PQM, what is angle NQR, what is angle MRS, what is angle NRQ. So this is the refraction through the prism. Thank you. Have a nice day. 10 मिनट। क्या बोल रहे हैं इसको?
टेस्ट है।
अभी लेना है? ठीक है, चलो और एक बनाओ इसका वाला।
बंद कर रहे हैं, चालू कर दे इसका।
नहीं।